Goku watches Vegeta fight Beerus after finding out that he was the one who authorized the destruction of the Saiyans. Goku mentions how it doesn't seem like they're really training, and Whis asks if it's a problem, to which Goku says not at all. He says that Vegeta is his own man, with his own road ahead of him, and he needs to focus on mastering Ultra Instinct instead. He now knows that he's not the strongest warrior in the universe, and tells Whis that he hopes to achieve this title one day. Suddenly, the Oracle Fish walks up from his nap and confirms that the strongest warrior in the universe will soon rise up. After a moment of shock and pause from Goku, Vegeta comes flying in and says that the strongest in the universe is going to be him. He picks up a small pebble and uses Hakai to destroy it, showing that he's already picking up on the technique. He says to Goku that he better watch out, because he'll soon be destroying much larger things. The scene then cuts to Granola again, who now has much longer hair. He lifts up the side of a mountain and uses Hakai to destroy it. Minato, a Namekian elder, hears the loud explosion and walks outside to see Granola staring off into space. He asks him if he stole the Dragon Balls, and Granola confirms that he did. His power is now unrivaled in the universe thanks to the Dragon Balls, and he can now easily take down Frieza. But since he can't find his location on any nearby planet, he's going to have to force information out of some people. After he leaves, the scene cuts back to Whis, who now has a concerned look on his face. He knows about what Granola is doing, and says that this is going to cause some huge problems, setting the stage for Part 5. After Vegeta fights Beerus, Goku trains with Whis to master and perfect Ultra Instinct. Whis begins the training by asking Goku what he thinks the difference is between him and angels. Goku has no idea and suggests the only distinction he sees is that angels have halos around their necks. Out of nowhere, Whis' staff comes flying in right behind him, and he easily dodges it while it smacks Goku right in the face. Whis then explains that angels are always in the Ultra Instinct state, unlike Goku. Goku agrees and states that in order for him to achieve that state, he has to transform first. However, Whis disagrees with this notion and tells Goku not to think of Ultra Instinct as a transformation. He explains that whenever Goku's heart is calm during a fight, his body should move on its own regardless of his form. Emphasizing this point by juggling his staff in the air, Whis instructs Goku to learn how to use Ultra Instinct in his base form. This, Whis explains, will free Goku from draining stamina and prolonging fights. He also advises Goku to reserve the full transformation as a last resort for battles demanding him to surpass his limits. Goku then sits down to start his training by meditating, acknowledging that it will take him some time to figure out. However, Whis interrupts, saying time isn't on their side. He calls Vegeta over, noting that this news concerns him as well, mentioning an odd recent event in the universe and setting the stage for Part 5. Goku continues training with Whis after watching Vegeta fight Beerus in a one-on-one match. He's now practicing how to use Ultra Instinct while in base form to preserve stamina and avoid prolonging fights. His main transformation will be reserved only for when he needs to surpass his limits. Whis uses his staff to throw at Goku from various angles. With his eyes closed, Goku is able to dodge all of Whis' throws and can also pinpoint when to deflect them. After Whis tries to trick Goku by sneaking an attack from behind, Goku dodges that as well, and Whis smiles, seeing his quick progression. The scene then cuts to Vegeta, who is trying to perfect the Hakai technique. Standing at the edge of a waterfall, he waits for a log to come floating down and successfully erases it from existence. Quickly, many logs flow down the stream, and Vegeta continues to destroy each one before it touches the ground. Beerus is the one throwing these logs into the water and gets annoyed when Vegeta hilariously blows up the entire river. As they continue their training, Whis receives a call from Bulma, who says that Vegeta and Goku have guests asking for them. Apparently they came to Earth to ask for a favor. They mention that the strongest warrior in the universe has recently appeared, which captures Goku and Vegeta's attention since the Oracle Fish had just mentioned this figure's imminent arrival. Bulma asks Vegeta if she should send the guests home, and he tells her no, indicating that he intends to fight. He asserts that no one else can claim the title of the universe's strongest besides him, and then looks over to Goku, saying there is no need for him to come. But we all know that Goku will definitely come along and plans to fight no matter what, setting the stage for Part 6.